Okay, so here's the next house. It is by Homestead Building Company. It's in this golf course community, and it is a silver winner called Oaks Overlook. Here's the outside. Got your staging with fancy cars. This is the front of the house. Those doors. The wood and the frosted glass, very nice. In your neighborhood. All right, let's see it.
Two stacks, that stacks are counting both of them, so two units, but it makes it cleaner. And then next to it's a black unit that's a steam that you open up, which flows in. I saw that.
That's a guest closet. This must be a guest bedroom.
Another refrigerator. This would be the butler's pantry or something. Car lift. Interesting.
So this is another bedroom down.
Because
That would be
because I did. Because you're showing it, that's why.
Where does this door go?
Assuming the yard.
Back up.
Oh,
I'm assuming. I didn't know it was there. It's got, I mean.
a door from the bathroom straight to the yard. Okay, yeah.
Not really a pool.
I guess there's no laundry upstairs,
And then
somebody would have to
safety.
come down and do their laundry.
That's weird. Oh, does it open?
Yeah.
Does it go outside?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay.
To the pool. Yeah, we're gonna put the pool in there.
Yeah, I guess that would make sense. I've seen this stove in a couple of the other houses. This is pretty popular.
Yeah, it sure does. It sure does.
I actually like this. It's like very spacious, but it also still feels cozy. Like it's not just a show place, but a place you can have a family. Oh.
Yeah.
So you can put in a pool. Thoughtfully designed with a future pool in mind. Okay. So that is what that bathroom is for. And there's the golf course.
Even my weekend doesn't get old. I don't get tired of it.
Barbecue grill. Outdoor refrigerator. Outdoor range. Totally screened in. Heating element. It's really toasty with the fireplace. Nice. So warm.
It's 150.
Excuse me. What's this one? Another bedroom. This is a big one. Maybe it's the primary bedroom. That would make sense.
I think it's so beige. This is where like the
Just plastic.
better than a beige.
Okay. Nice tub. Huge tub. Very deep. And it's got this detachable head here, so that's convenient. I like the vanity. I like the recessed lighting underneath. I know there's gonna be hella dust under there, but I assume you hire people to get that for you. Ooh, nice shower. Nice shower.
Well, no, you don't want your bathroom place, I mean, your bedroom place, not
Little room for the toilet. Toilet gets its own room. And your dressing room. Also with lots of natural light. And these big windows facing your driveway and the neighbors. You could open it, you could flash the neighbors. Look at that. Just put all your finery in here. Amazing.
This is really pretty.
Yeah, I don't think we did.
Okay, so it's 2 bedrooms so far. Oh, is this the front door? And this is the formal dining room. Okay, so this is the front door, and then you go into the living room, or you could go here into the formal dining room. I'm sorry. Sometimes they get turned around in these houses because they're so big.
Well, can I take your info?
It's a lot.
And there, like, wait, I just did.
Oh, excuse me.
The stairs.
Oh, it's a powder room. Okay. Did I go? I did go down there. I like the lighting under the stairs. That's really cool. That's fun. Just little things. Okay. You've got this whole big landing. Nice. Huge. Wet bar. Very nice. Another fireplace. And another, this time screened in balcony, above your screened in porch. With another TV. And these fireplaces are putting out a lot of heat. It's very toasty near them. Very toasty.
This, I guess could be the movie theater. Look, no, this I like.
No. Bathroom. Tub. Toilet. Is this a bedroom? It is a bedroom. And what's this room? This is... It's got a... those. Huh. I would say this is also a bedroom, but it doesn't have a closet. So it might just be a bonus room.
But if they done the show, they have full access, we'll go really good with that.
Excuse me.
Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah.
So this is a bedroom, and it has a huge walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom, and then it has this additional space attached to it. So huge walk-in closet, and then this space, which is like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what the purpose of this space is. I don't know. A studio to shoot your influencer videos, a craft room for whoever lives in this bedroom. It's interesting that it's there, but its purpose is not immediately apparent to me. But maybe that's part of the charm. You can do whatever you want with the space. This is another bedroom. Got another huge walk-in closet for your secondary bedroom. Got a ceiling fan. Big window. And a lovely ensuite bathroom. Gorgeous finishes.
You probably got washing machines up downstairs.
You're going right to bed after all this walking.
Excuse me. Okay, utility closet. Okay. And we go this way. And this room. So it's got this like a matte floor. So I guess this is meant to be a home gym because it's got a gym floor. So it's nice. And then there's more space upstairs. Huh. Another very deep closet, huge closet. And then this is another secondary bedroom. Also has its own ensuite. And it also has its own walk-in closet. Very tall ceilings. I'd love to know what's going on with the third floor. So 3 bedrooms, one of them with a bonus space, plus that big media room / wet bar with, and then a gym, and then a third floor, which might just be unfinished attic space or something. It's a lot of space to repurpose in a lot of different ways. Pretty amazing. Alright, I don't know why I keep walking through here. That's amazing. Oh, and an eating kitchen. So, what was the third floor that's roped off? What's up there?
It's unfinished. It's about 1,000 square feet.
Okay.
And there's plumbing there for a bathroom as well.
Okay.
So it'll sell unfinished. It's just whatever the buyer, wants to do with
That's
it.
amazing. And then one of the upstairs bedrooms has like, you go through the closet and then there's this like bonus space on the other side.
Yeah.
What is that for?
Just some extra
Just-
area, like maybe a teenager that wants some extra space. Or
Okay,
something like
that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, that's
It's a
amazing.
little hideaway feature.
Yes, there's so much space here.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I could see why it won. Oh gosh, did I even go in this? I missed this room. This is another room that I missed. The butler's pantry. I missed the butler's pantry. Of course there's a butler's pantry. There's a dishwasher. Or, there's oven. even more space. That is so much space. And then an additional refrigerator. Is there a refrigerator in the kitchen too? I don't know. I have no idea. That's amazing. All right.